Okay, hello everyone. So here I will be unboxing the recently released Samsung A55 5G. Okay, inside this box we find the Samsung A55 5G unit itself, along with the SIM ejector, a Type-C to Type-C cable, warranty card and user manual. And then there is also another box containing a 25-watt charger. So, moving on to the specifications of the Samsung A55 5G, for its body, it is composed of a Gorilla Glass Victus, plus Gorilla Glass and an aluminum frame. And on the side of the device, there is a SIM card slot supporting either a single SIM or hybrid dual SIM. An additional feature of the body is it is water resistant, so it making quite appealing. Okay, and now for its front display, it utilizes a Super AMOLED screen with a 120Hz refresh rate and a screen size of 1080 by 23 and 14 pixels. And also, the operating system for this device is Android 14 with One UI 6.1, powered by the Exynos 14N80 chipset, ensuring excellent performance. So next, I will display the camera specifications on the screen. And with such impressive specs, you won't doubt the camera's capabilities of this device. Okay, so moving on to the battery capacity, it boasts a Li-ion 5000 mAh battery, ensuring long life usage. Next, it comes in 3 colors: Awesome Lilac, Awesome Navy, and Awesome Ice Blue, and also with 2 storage and RAM options. And not only that, because the device also features an in-screen fingerprint sensor. So, with such comprehensive specifications, it is no wonder many desire this device. Okay, that's all from me. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.